Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Yeah, I'm your host P5, aka Plenty of Fish. I don't even know what that means. And this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kid. Now you already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go around the camera, pray to God I don't get blown over, and I'm gonna come back into shot like we're doing it for TV. Let's get it. Come on, gang. We're back in shot, guys. Back in. Dude, it's crazy windy out here. It's mad windy, so just be careful. Guys, let me show you today we have this beautiful, let me just give you a little, what will we call this? A little ANORAK-y kind of thing. Now this is a RAEBURN ANORAK. Yeah, I don't know what more else to say other than, let me give you the little 12 to the RJ to the 12. You see the camera bloody shaking because of the wind. I'm giving you the little 12 RJ. Alright guys, let's get into it before Mary Poppins and her super wind blows us away. Guys, this is a jacket by RAEBURN. I'll show you some information here and a little bit here. Okay, so that's a little bit of information about them. This is my first piece that I picked up from them. They had a sale the other day, so I went down and had a cheeky little look and see what they had, and this was the piece that I picked up. Not bad at all. I paid £70 for this. Let me give you a bit of a close-up more. £70, and that was all I paid, nothing more. Do you know what I mean? Like really nice piece. All right guys, I think I've waffled enough. Let me zip up and we're gonna do it like we're doing it for TV. All right, let's do this. Zipping up, gang. All right, cool. As you can see, guys, there's my waist right there. It comes down almost up to the knees, not quite up to the knees, but quite further down, as you can see. Super nice length for a nice sort of ANORAK-y kind of jacket coat. Super dope. Let me get a little bit closer, so now we can do left hand side, right hand side. Check out the coffages, and as you can see, coffages come right to the end of the wrist, as you can see, and there's got a little bit of a room right in there. Eagle eye amongst you have already noticed the taper, what shall I call this? Oh god, you know what guys, it's terrible today. You've noticed the tapering functionality right there, and that will allow you, you've got one rivet and then you've got two rivet, which allows you to give you a nice bit of a bit more of a taper. You can still put your whole hand in, so it's nothing really exotic. It's really more for kind of, I guess, aesthetics. As you can see, if you can see, let me just get that in so you can have a look. RAEBURN on the old button, once again burnished in steel. Super nice. That taperage panel right there is quite wide, as you can see, and that's in that kind of, what do you want to call that? I want to call that kind of like a grey kind of colour that follows through, like a grey green. And the other side, of course, is kind of that beigey sand, shall we say. Just as you can see. Let me step back. Of course, Equilibrium saying beautiful thing. Equilibrium saying beautiful thing. So everything is the same on that side as it is on that side. Okay, let me loosen my taper and let me tighten my taper. Guys, I'm just saying stuff. I don't know what I'm saying. All right, let me step back. Left hand side, right hand side. As you can see, Equilibrium saying beautiful thing. You have two pockets here, one very deep, few bars of gold. Not a problem at all. In fact, you want to put your little mine in here, you can put your Premier African mines in here. And those of you know that know, shout out my guy Nathan Doe. It rhymes. Waha. Anyway, second hand side, same thing. You can put your workforce in there, keep the mine in there, keep the workforce in there. You can transport them over to this bit, and everyone's a winner. Everyone's a winner. Now, as you can see, you have these turn down flat kind of pockets. But guys, let me give you a little close-up. What the hell is this? What's missing, guys? What's missing? No Velcro, no buttons, no zip. So basically you're flapping in the wind. See what I did there? But literally you're flapping in the wind. Ideally this needs a little tape down or something. But yeah, Equilibrium saying beautiful thing, and in this case, yeah, we need some sort of, you know, fastening approach to this pocket. Alas, we do not have it. All right, let's look at buttons. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7 buttons which go all the way up. I won't button all the buttons, but I will do the top 2 just so you can see what it looks like. as we're buttoned up. So there you go. Once you're fully buttoned up, you can see it goes all the way to the top kind of there, so it covers your mouth, giving you a little bit of a mouth shield, as you can see. Super dope, super dope. All right, if I step back, of course, you can see you've got left hand side, right hand side. You've got these sort of kind of cool, slightly envelope pocket styly pockets right there, which I kind of do like. Really nice. As you can see, it sort of curves around like that. Really nice. I'll give you a little bit of a closer so you can see that pocket a bit better. As you can see, it's kind of like a holster post. A holster pocket, shall we say. Super nice. Lift up. You can definitely put your skis in here. You can put your skis, you can put your chalet, you can put everything you need in both these pockets, because they're very deep and they're at the perfect positioning for walking down the street with your hands in your skyrocket. Perfect, guys. Perfect for that. These are fastened down by metal rivets, nothing too crazy. Super nice, super dope. Let me see what I'm missing. Am I missing anything? I don't think so. Of course, you see the color, it's kind of that shimmery effect right there, that sort of grey, greeny, taupe, I'm not even sure what you'd call this, turtley, light turtle green, but yeah, it's good. There's a shimmer to it. Very, very cute. You know what I'm saying? Cool. Alright, let's zip this down just a little bit so we can show you one of our favorite things on a jacket, and that is what? The hood. Of course, tappity tap tap, you're good to go. You see the coverage of this hood, like look, there's a lot of hood there. Pause. You know what I'm saying? So if it tappity tap tap, boom boom boom, you're good to go. However, this is not waterproof and it's not water resistant, so if it starts pissing down, you're in trouble. Of course, you've got that nice little peak right there. Love the hood is dope. You've got two fastener bits there which allow you to taper, so if I want to get it a little bit tighter, voila. And the same goes on the other side. Equilibrium is a beautiful thing, beautiful. So there you have that. Of course, you have the button like I showed you before, which covers across, and it keeps you relatively safe from the wind, but it's not keeping you safe from the rain. That's a fact. Just be aware. Very lightweight, but very nice. Of course, you got the zip pull right here, and you got that kind of nice little safety pin like zip right there, and again you've got a zip pull that says RAEBURN, and that's got a rubber applique on there, as you can see, so you can feel the rubber applique right there. Nice little pull tab, and quite long, so you know you can grab hold of it quickly and pull it down. Pause once again. Let's see what else we have. So of course you have the taperage on the insides to give you that sort of, you know, sexy waist, that corset waist as the ladies might say. We ain't doing that on this one. I tried it, didn't look so good, so I prefer it a bit looser. Super nice. Let's open it up. And there you go, you see the RAEBURN insignia right there, and that's their logo right there. You see that right there. Medium I bought this in, and these come up big, so yeah, really nice find, I must say. Of course, you've got your sort of little mini literature in there telling you where it was made, etc, etc, and this is 100% recycled nylon, and it was made in Romania. What else? Of course, you see the color. Once again, you got that shimmery sand, beige, cream, not sure what you want to call it. Really, really dope, guys. Yeah, I like this jacket. I went down to the sale, thought let me pick something up. They had a few things, but I'm not buying stuff just to buy. I needed one of these kind of sort of like light, kind of parka-y ones. That isn't my plurimus because I've been rinsing it, and this kind of does the job. Perfect for spring, perfect for summer. You're good to go. Really, really nice. I like it, man. I don't think the materials are crazy, and there's some, you know, the pricing, although it was on sale, you know, extra bit of money to put some pocketing, to fasten the pocketing down would have been a bit nice, but you know, I saw it go. Side hand, sorry, left hand side, right hand side. Equilibrium's not a beautiful thing. Got these little sort of mobile phone, your dog and bone pocket right there, which lifts up with a little fastened rivet right there. You can put your dog in there, a few coins, nothing crazy. Don't go putting your kids and their whole class in there because they won't fit, you know what I mean, and you'll get done for overcrowding. All right, step back. So yeah, guys, that is really it. I don't think I've missed anything. Of course, you've got the zip strip right there, which allows you to cover once you're zipped up, so that's kind of nice. We do like a nice zip strip, quite wide. Really nice jacket. All in all, not bad at all. Guys, let me know what you think. Have you got anything by RAEBURN? This is my first piece. I'm liking it. You know, I'm going to check out more of their stuff and see what's going on and do some reviews for you as and when I find pieces that I like. But yeah, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's something different, it's not your usual. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. Please comment, like, subscribe and share, and I'm gonna see you on the flip side, guys. This has been another episode of nice bit of kit that I've shown you. This RAEBURN sort of shimmer anorak, and this has been Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. So yeah, guys, stay dope, stay fly, and I'm gonna catch you on the flip side. Peace.